Team, please wait for the 5 minutes, then I will start the session. Parallelly, please unmute yourself or please interact with me. Kiran, Sausanya, all the people, Srinivas, Vivek,
Hi, sir.
I'm Kiran.
Hi, Samba. Srinivas.
Srinivas, hi, Srinivas. Just 2 minutes time. Today also demo session, the people will join slowly. Let me start session at 8:05. Hi, Lalita. Did you join yesterday, Lalita? I hope you joined yesterday. Hafiza,
Hi, sir. This is Hafiza.
hi, Hafiza. Did you join yesterday?
No, this is my first class demo.
Yeah. Parallelly, please answer also. What is artificial intelligence? Can anyone tell to me what is artificial intelligence? Respond. What is artificial intelligence? Making missions smarter. Making missions smarter. Electronic missions. Making missions smart. We can call artificial intelligence. Fine. AI contain how many layers?
Six
AI
layers.
artificial intelligence contain how many layers?
Six.
6 layers. What is the first layer?
Machine learning.
What is the first layer? Machine learning. First layer is the machine learning. Once. Yeah. Let me go through the another thing. Artificial intelligence contain how many layers? Artificial intelligence contains how many layers? 6 layers. First layer, machine learning. First layer is the machine learning. Second layer is the deep learning. First layer is the machine learning. Second layer is the deep learning. Third layer is the NLP. NLP. Fourth layer is the generative AI. Fifth layer is the agents. Sixth layer is the agentic AI. Fine. Team, let me revise it again. Team, never drop the class here. Please enjoy with the session. Never drop the class. Yeah. Chiranjit, try to see this. First point is the AI. What is AI? Making missions smarter. Making missions smart, we can call artificial intelligence. Fine. Hafiza, AI contain how many layers? AI internally contain first layer is the machine learning. Machine learning. Second layer is the deep learning. What is the second layer? Second layer is the deep learning. Third layer is the NLP. Third layer is the NLP. NLP stands for, Chaitanya garu, NLP stands for
Natural language development.
Processing.
natural language processing.
Sorry.
This processing. Yeah. From my end, from the vPro skills, my kind request is that never drop the call. Please enjoy with the session. We will dig the subject like anything. Fine. Next one. And the fourth one. And the fourth one is the GenAI. Fourth one is the GenAI. Then Hafiza, GenAI stands for Generative AI. GenAI stands for what? Generative AI. And the fifth one is the, what is the fifth one? Fifth one is the agents. Agents. Sixth one is the Agentic AI. Sixth one is the, what is the sixth one? Agentic AI. Fine. Yeah, and one more thing. Yeah, and one more thing, Chaitanya garu. To learn machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, agentic AI. What is the prerequisite? What's the
Python.
prerequisite is the Python. Python is the prerequisite to build machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, agents, and agentic AI also. Hanumantarati. In the today's session, let me provide overview about Python. Yeah, Hanumantarati, try to say this one. What is Python? Python is the programming language. Hafiza, reply here. What is the Python? Python is the high level.
Programming language.
Chiranjeev garu, respond here. Why Python? Python is used to build machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, and agentic AI. Agentic AI, not only that one, automation also. Automation scripts also. Automation scripts like this also. So many things are there. Not only that one. Python is useful to build web applications also. Web applications also. And another thing, not only web application coming to the Python, not only web application, Python is used to build REST APIs also. REST APIs also. Team, do you people know what is the REST API? Get request, post request, put request, delete request. So many REST APIs are there. To build REST APIs, we will use Python. And I'm repeating again. What is Python? Python is the programming language. Python is the prerequisite for these technologies. And another thing, team, in Python, try to say this one. Topic by topic, I will tell. You can get the some basic idea regarding the Python. Very slowly, I need to tell it. One. First topic is the variables. One. Say this one. Why variables? Variables are used to store the data. Variables are used, Chaitanya garu. Why variables? Variables are used to store the data. Fine. Now try to say this one. For example, how to store the data. This is the variable. What is the variable name? Message equal to which one we need to do place? We should be in a position we need to do place the vpro. Whatever the vpro we have, that vpro store to the message. Whatever the right side value store to left side variable, then this one we can call variables. Team, I need the response from you. Why variables? Very simple point. Why variables? Variables are used to store the, respond team. Variables are used to store the data. Fine, which data? Say this one. Right side value store to left side variable. Fine. Team, let me go through another example. We need to go to another example. Okay. For example, here num1 equal to 200. Num1 equal to 200 here. Team, this 200, whatever the 200 is there, that 200 store to num1 or not. Whatever the 200 is there, the 200 store to num1. Team, num2 equal to, here we have the 100. Whatever the 100 is there, that 100 store to num2. And another thing, team, is it a string? Basic knowledge team. Even the non-IT people also need to support here. Is it a string? Respond team. Is it a string?
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Is it a number?
Yeah, number. Indeed.
Yes, sir.
Number.
Team. Is it a boolean?
Yes.
Is it a boolean? Manjanath garu, is it a boolean? Yes, this is the Boolean. Salim Khan. Next one. Pavani, say this one. And another thing. Is it a array? Is it a array? Yes or not?
Yes, yes.
Call the array here. Until we can call the list. Team. Is it a tuple? Yes, this one we can call the tuple. And another thing. Is it a dictionary? Yes, this one we can call the dictionary. Is it
Is
set? This one we can call the setter. Is it a none? This one we can call none. Don't fill type here. Don't fill like this. This one. How many data types we have? Data types we have. We need to say it. Yeah. Boolean means na. That's sorry. I will let you know. Boolean means I will let you know. Say this one here. For example, how many data types we have? Python supports. Python supports so many data types. Python supports so many data types. First data type is the string. Like Dilesh Patagaru. What is the string? Say this one. For example, Dasari. Dasari. Say this one. Your name in a double quotes or not? Please unmute and please get the reply because we're feeling like a difficulty. Your name in a double quotes or not? Then that
Yes,
one
sir.
that one we can call the string. That one what do you call? String. These things we can call data types also. These things we can call what do you call? Data types also. And now try to see this one here. And here I need to place another thing here. And another thing is the number. Number, try to say this one here. Number. Is it a number or not?
Yes.
Number.
Number.
Integer or number, both are the same. Next one. And another thing, and one more thing is that what is the another data type?
Boolean.
Boolean.
Boolean means
True
true.
and false.
Boolean means we need to place the true or false. That one we can call the Boolean. Fine. Now try to say this one here. You may say, sir, what is the Boolean? Your question is the what is the Boolean? Na? There is a
Yes,
question.
sir.
For example, like you may feel like on and off kind of thing. True in the sense gate opened. You are allowed to enter with the cinema theater. False in the sense the gate closed. You are not allowed. You are not allowed into the cinema theater. Got it or not? Just like a yes or no kind of thing. Got it?
Okay, sir.
And one more,
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
the team enjoy with the subjective. Even the demo classes team, I will touch the subject here. And another thing is the fourth one is the list. What is the fourth one? List.
A list.
It's collection of values. List means what? Collection of values. Hello is there, 10 is there, 10 is there, true is there, so many things are there. Then this one we can call the list. How to represent the list? We will represent list with the help of square bracket. Fine. Team, can I maintain the same pace? Non-IT people also able to catch it now? Reply team, can I maintain the same pace? Non-IT people, especially I'm talking about the non-IT people. Are you okay? Are you able to catch the pace? Speed. Reply here, please reply, just to maintain the friendly nature.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing is the, say this one here, thing. For example, what is the value here? Dasarigar, what is the value here? 10 na?
10,
10.
sir.
In the future, we can modify also. In the future, you asked me, Samba, please change 10 to 100. You are asking that one. I'm able to change it up. I'm able to change it up. Fine. And another thing. And another thing is the in the future, you may ask, Samba, don't place the hello here, just to place my name here. You are asking like just to place your name here. We're able to modify. Are we able to modify or not? We're able to modify. Then that nature we can call mutable. Then that nature what do you call? Dasarigaru, that nature what do you call? Mutable.
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 Ask the question to you. What is a mutable? What is a mutable? Able to modify or not?
Yes. Modify.
Yes, yes, sir. Modify.
Modify, then that nature we can call the mutable. And another thing, fifth one is the tuple. Fifth one is the tuple. Team. Tuple also, tuple also collection of data. Tuple also collection of data here.
Samba, sorry to interrupt you. Mutable is applicable only for the list or any variable or any variable that is getting modified, it's called as mutable.
Mutable. Exactly. I think your point is right. Mutable in the sense of modification nature, we can call them mutable. Got it now? But speciality of the list is the mutable. I think you were asking variable also variable to modify. Then that one we can call the mutable. Got it or not? Fun. Team. What is the tuple? Tuple also collection of values. But Dasari garu, we are
Sir.
unable to modify the value. In the future, you asked me, Samba, please change 10 to 20. We are unable to change it. Then that nature what you call? Then
Immutable.
then that nature we can call the immutable. Which one is the mutable? Which
List is immutable.
which one is the immutable? All the people,
Tuple.
not only Dasarigar, all the people, everyone need to react again. Just a basic syllabus I'm saying, like who is the mutable? List is the mutable. Who is the immutable? Tuple is the immutable. How to represent list? How to represent list? Square bracket or not? With the help of square bracket, we're able to represent the list. How to represent the tuple? With the help of what? With the help of
Parenthesis.
and another thing. And another, let me
Sorry,
go.
sorry, someone now list can have also can have multiple objects or multiple arrays inside it. Even
One-
tuple also can have
Yes, exactly. But what's the basic difference?
mutable and immutable only. That's the only difference.
But your counter question to me, our counter question is Samba variables also mutable, but why you are not covering that point? There's a point or matter. Yes, in the future I need to tell, just I'm saying the basic syllabus.
Okay.
Next one, team. Represent the data. Represent the data in the form of a key value pair. Represent the data in the form of a key value pair. Here I need to place the name. Name equal to, I need to place the vpro. Name equal to vpro. Next one is the subject equal to. Subject equal to, I want to place the Agenti AI. Subject equal to what we need to place? Agenti AI. Fun. Divya, try to say this one here. What is the key here? What is the key here? Responder. What is the key? Key is the name or not? Key is the name. What is the value here? What is the value here?
Wipro.
In all the people team, please unmute and please try to interact with me. What is the key here? Name. And
Name.
the value here?
Wipro.
Is the name here. So key value pair or not?
Yes.
Representing the data. Representing the data in the form of a key value pair. In the form of a key value pair. Technically, we can call dictionary. Technically, what do you call? Dictionary. And another thing. And another thing is the, let me go through the another thing here. One. Never allows the duplicates. I don't want to allow the duplicates. I don't want to allow the duplicates. If you don't want to allow the duplicates, at that time we have the set. What we have? Set. Set never allows the duplicates. For example, 10 comma 10. Is it a duplicate? Answer, is it a duplicate? Yes or not? But set will delete the one duplicate element. Set will delete the one duplicate element. Then that one we can call the set. And another thing. And another thing is the, we have another thing here. The one more thing is the none. What is none? None representing empty or blank. None representing empty or blank. Say this one. None representing what? Empty or blank. Got it or not? For example, I will tell exact meaning of none. Chaitanya garu, currently I'm the TCS employee.
Okay.
At present, no project. No project. Currently, I'm in the bench. Called as what? None. Do I have any work? Do I have any work? No, na.
No.
Empty work or not? Empty work or blank work? That is called as none. Am I the part of TCS?
Yes.
Am I the part of TCS? Yes, I'm the part of the TCS. Do I have any work? No work.
No.
Then that one we can call the empty or blank. Fine. All the people respond here. Everyone need to respond here. Everyone, Manantha Reddy, all the people team, please unmute here. Please maintain a friendly nature. Please unmute yourself. All the people, I'm requesting all the people. Fine. Python supports how many data types?
8.
8 data types. What is the first data type?
String.
String. What is the second data type?
Integer.
What is the third data type?
Boolean.
What is the fourth data type?
List.
Is it a mutable or immutable?
Mutable.
List is mutable here. Whatever the list is there, the list is the mutable. Tuple, what about the
Unmutable.
tuple is the not unmutable, not unmutable, immutable,
Immutable.
What
not unmutable, immutable. How to represent list? How to
With square bracket.
how to represent tuple? Parenthesis.
Parenthesis.
Parenthesis. And then how to represent the data in the form of a key value pair.
Dictionary.
Present the data in the form of a key value pair.
Dictionary.
Dictionary. It is used to represent the data in the form of a key value pair. Fun. Who won't allows duplicates?
Set.
Set never allows the duplicate. Who will represent empty or blank?
None.
None.
Team, this is the chapter 1.
Sorry, Samba set can be used for any type of variable, like
Any type. For example, coming to yourself, you are saying like a hello, comma, hello, comma, hello. One hello will be removed. And the case
okay.
also. And the case seems to also. But you may raise one concept. Somebody wanted to press a small hello. It won't because it's a case sensitive. Got it or not?
Just one more. It always will be declared in the JSON format only, like a for bracket.
Exactly. Maybe you are from
Okay.
programming language, so that's why you are asking that one.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Fine. Next one. And one more thing. Dasaragar, your question. True means, sir, true also one value.
Yeah.
True also one value, then that value we can store to list, not an issue.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay.
Multiple. Fine. Team, after completing the variables, immediately we need to go for the chapter 2. Chapter 2, that chapter 2 we can call functions. The chapter 2, what we call functions. Team, what is function? Business logical. Particular business logic we can call function. Yes or not? Why functions? Functions are used to reuse the business logic. In order to reuse the business logic, then we will use the functions. Fine. Team, repeat again, Kira, what is function? Particular business logic. Particular business logic we can call the function. And another thing, why functions? Functions are used to reuse the business logic. Define business logic only once and reuse number of times. Reuse what? Reuse number of times. Got it or not? Dasagar, please explain again. Kya? What is function? What is function?
It is a business logic.
Business logic, particular business logic, we can call the function. And if anyone asks you why
Sir,
function,
may I know what is the meaning of business logic?
got it. Fine, try to say this one. For example, database. What is database? Is the database. A database is used to store the data.
For the data. Yes, sir.
Got it? Just a basic knowledge. Have you heard about the databases or something? For example, try to say this one. This is the database. Inside the database, 10 employees are there. How many employees
Okay,
are
sir.
there? 10 employees.
10 employees.
Your manager asked, read all 10 employees. Your manager asked what to read all 10 employees. Got it or not? At that time, you need to define one function. At that time, you need to create one function. Yes or not? What's the role of this function? This function connected to DB, read the number of employees. Yes or not? Then this one we can call the business logic. Dasaragar, at least you got the basic knowledge, na?
Yes, sir.
DB contain how many employees?
10.
10. Your manager asked what? Read employees. Read all 10 employees. What you need to do? Define one function. What is the role of this function? This function connected to DB. Connected to DB, read all the 10 employees. Then that one we can call the business logic. But it are better. And another thing. And one more thing is and why functions? Functions are used to reuse the business logic. Fun thing. The function without a name. The function without a name. Some functions are there. The functions won't contain any name. Then that functions we can call lambda functions. Then that functions what we call lambda functions. The functions without a name. Without a name, technically we can call lambda functions. In the future, we will see the lambda functions also. But that's regard just I'm saying the syllabus and no need to take the attention. Just to cool. Just listen the syllabus. That's it. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After completing this one, immediately we need to go for one more topic. Then that topic you can call the oops. Oops.
Sir, your voice is very low.
All the people are only you. Team, is it audible
No,
or not?
sir. Clear voice.
Yeah, say this one here. Yeah. Now, Chaitanya garu, oops. What is the oops? Oops stands for
Object
Object oriented.
object oriented
programming
system. Object-oriented programming. Dasar garu, already you have the idea, na? Oops,
Yes, sir. I have little bit of ideas.
but you are unable to say what is the database or something, na? Fine. Anyhow, say this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm
Samba,
non-native
Samba,
background.
sorry to interrupt you. Now,
Hmm.
lambda function used to like we will not have any names of the lambda function. Then how do we call those functions?
With the help of variable.
Okay, we declare with the variable with the function.
That's
Okay,
it.
okay,
That's
okay.
it.
Go.
With the help of variable, we are able to call it. Fine. Himanshu garu, try to say this one. OOPS. OOPS stands for Object-Oriented Programming System. Fine. Himanshu garu. Here we have so many things are there. First one is the inheritance. Dasri garu, just leave it. What is inheritance? Just leave it in the future. We will see.
Okay,
Inheritance.
sir.
Fine. And another thing is one more thing is the polymorphism. And one more thing is what is the another thing? Polymorphism. And another thing is here I need to go for encapsulation. Encapsulation. And one more thing is the abstraction. What is the another thing? And another thing is the abstraction. Not only this one, here I need to go for constructors also. I wanted to go for the constructors also. And I wanted to go for the keywords also. Which keyword? Like we don't have really keywords, public, private, these kind of keywords we don't have, but we will see that effect also. Public, private, protected, like this also. These scopes also we are able to say it. Got it or not? Not only that
Okay,
one,
sir.
we are able to see the super keyword also. We are able to see the self keyword also. We are able to see the CLS keyword also. We are able to see the CLS keyword also. And we are able to do the at least one or two mini projects also. One or two mini projects also. We are able to do with the OOPS. And I'm repeating again. Okay? What are OOPS? Object-oriented programming system. In OOPS, I will cover inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, and constructors. Single constructor, multi-constructor, constructor overloading, and different scenarios. I will let you know what is the public scope. I will let you know what is the private scope. I will let you know what is the protected scope. Chaitanya garu, we don't have any default scope. And another thing, I will let you know super keyword. I will let you know self keyword. I will let you know CLS keyword also. These are the special keywords available with the Python. And I will do the at least two mini projects. Minimum two mini projects we need to do with the OOPS. Fine. Next one, lambda function. దాసరి గారు కూల్ అండి,
Sir.
లైట్ తీసుకోండి సార్. దాసరి గారు లైట్ తీసుకోండి.
Okay,
టెన్షన్
sir.
తీసుకోవద్దండి. యువర్ ఆస్కింగ్ లాంబ్డా ఫంక్షన్. ఫన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫంక్షన్? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సే దిస్ వన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డేటాబేస్. లైట్ తీసుకోండి దాసరి గారు, ఎందుకంటే ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్
Okay, sir.
క్లారిటీ. అక్కడ టెన్షన్
Okay.
తీసుకోండి. ఫన్ సే దిస్ వన్. DB contain how many records? DB contain how many records? 10 records, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How to read the data? How to read the data? With the help of function one or not?
Functions. Yes.
The help of function one or not? But without a function, just I have just one variable. Which variable? Which variable? X
Yes.
variable. Through the variable itself, I'm able to read the data. The function without a name. The function without a name. Technically, what we call lambda function.
Okay, sir.
Done. For example, just see this one. Maybe I think if you people don't to take the wrong care, I will tell one pointer. For example, uh, in our neighbor country, like some terrorists will be there. The unknown gunman will kill the people. Who is that person? We don't know. But work done or not?
Yes, sir.
That is called as the lambda function. The work done, the work finished. But who done? No one knows that one. That is called as what? Lambda function. So, one. Dasar garu, please leave that point here. In the future we will say it.
Okay, sir. Okay,
And,
sir.
and another thing is that after completing the OOPS, immediately, we need to go for one important library. Then that library we can call Pandas library. Which library we need to see? Pandas library. Fine. Chaitanya garu, say this one. Coming to your project, you have Excel file. Which file you have? Excel file.
Excel.
You have comma separated value file. Fine. Himanshu garu. And you have JSON file. Or you have some PDF file. You want to read data from Excel file, CSV file, JSON file, or PDF file. At that time, we need to use one library. Then that library we can call Pandas library. Which library we need to use? Pandas library. It is used to read the data Excel file, CSV file, JSON file, PDF file. Not only that one, Pandas library clean the data also. Pandas library clean the data also. Fine. Yeah, I will let you know. For example, Dasrigara, for example, you have an Excel file. Some columns are not there. In the Excel file, some data not there. Some empty boxes are there. We can clean it. Got it or not? And Pandas library deals with the tabular data. Pandas library deals with which data? Tabular data. Tabular data means what? Rows and columns are not.
Yes, sir.
Rows and columns are not. Pandas
Yes.
library deals with the tabular data. Which tabular data? Rows and columns. Got it or not? And another thing, Srinivas try to see this one. Sudarshan try to observe this one. And one more thing, Pandas library make data ready for visualization. Visualization. Do you know pie chart, bar chart, different charts are there, na?
Yes, sir.
Different graphs are there. Pandas library make data for visualization, like a pie chart, bar chart, so many graphs are there. And team, repeat it again. What is the library name? Reply. What is the library name? Reply team. Why?
Pandas
Pandas.
library.
All the people,
Pandas.
please unmute yourself. Please try to talk with me here. Don't be in the muted mode. Tejashwani, all the people. Pandas library. What is the specialty of the Pandas library? Read the data from
Excel file, CSV file, JSON, and PDF file.
JSON file, PDF file. Pandas library able to clean the data or not?
Yes, clean the
Clean
data.
data
Clean the data here.
in the form of tabular data.
Pandas library dealing which data? Tabular data.
Rows and columns.
Tabular
Rows
data.
and columns.
Library dealing the tabular data here. Pandas library make data ready for
Visualization.
visualization.
Visualize.
Pie chart, bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, histoplot. So many graphs are there. Number of graphs are there. Fine. And another thing, team, at least one or two members are there. Fine. Team never drop the call. I think I know some people they're joining for the just like a free demos or something. Never drop the call. Please enjoy with the session. Fine.
Samba, just one question. Now, Pandas is a library where it extracts data from Excel, CSV, JSON, but here tabular data, rows, columns.
Exactly.
Like what is like there is the contradicting with me actually. Excel, only in Excel we have rows and columns, whereas the CSV also will have, but whereas
So
JSON and PDF will not have this rows and columns. Right? How that will handle?
there is a point here. For example, inside the Pandas library, we have a predefined function. The predefined function is the data frame function. It will read your JSON data. It will make like a rows and columns.
Okay.
It will read your PDF data and it will make like that rows and columns. Chaitanya, your question. For example, JSON and
PDF can also have images, text, right? Then
at
how
that
it
time,
will do?
at that time, it won't. At that time, it won't support it. If the data is the proper data, then only we can able to display it. Otherwise, we can't display it. Then
Okay.
remove the images from the PDF. Otherwise, just tell to the pandas, don't read the images.
Okay.
And another thing is that we have one more library. Which library? Matplotlib. We have another library. What is the library name? Matplotlib.
Matplotlib.
Matplotlib. Pronounce it in Matplotlib.
Matplotlib.
What is the specialty of the Matplotlib? It is used to draw the graphs. Like a line graph. You know the line graph, na? For example, if we take the line graph, this is the y-axis. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. This is the line graph or not? Like a sense X kind of thing. Yes or not? It is used to draw the line graph. Not only that one, it is used to draw
Parabola.
pie chart also. It is used to draw which one? Pie chart also. It is used to draw the bar graph also. Matplotlib. Whatever the matplotlib is there, it is used to draw the line graph. Chaitanya garu, read the data from the Excel file. Represent with the help of what? Line graph.
Okay.
Read the data from the CSV file. Represent in the form of a pie chart. read the data from the PDF file, represent in the form of a bar graph. And another thing, we have the one more graph here, then that graph we can call scatter plot. And here we have the another graph here, then that graph we can call histoplot. And here we have another graph here, then that graph we can call the subplot. Team, and like this also so many graphs are there, number of graphs are there. Don't put your focus on the what is the scatter histo sub. In the future we will see it. Represent data in the form of a graph. Then we need to go for the one more library, then that library we can call the matplotlib. Fine team, and one more point I need to tell. Fine team, I need very rich graph. I need very styled graphs, like background equal to yellow, text color equal to styled graphs. If you want to draw styled graphs, then we have one more library, then that library we can call C1 library. Use to draw the styled graphs, like colors, background images, some rich graphs. Then we need to go for the C1 library. C1 library built on top of matplotlib. Whatever the C1 library we have, this is C1 library built on top of matplotlib. Yes or not? C1 library is not the new thing. C1 library is built. So see this one, who is the parent of C1 library? Matplotlib or not? Matplotlib only. See this one. C1 library built or developed, built on top of matplotlib. Yes or not? Then this one we can call the C1 library. Fine. Thing. And another thing is the we have the one more library, then that library we can call, we have the one more library, then that library we can call NumPy library. NumPy stands for numerical Python. NumPy stands for what? NumPy stands for numerical Python. To deal with the lists, like 1D list, next one 2D list, or ND list. So many lists are there, like a one-dimensional list, two-dimensional list, n-dimensional list. Then we have one powerful library, then that library we can call the NumPy. One. That's right, please reply again here. What is the NumPy? NumPy stands for numerical Python. What is the speciality of numerical Python? To deal with what? 1D list,
2D list,
3D list, 4D list, ND list. Then we will use one library, then that library we can call Viveka, then that library we can call NumPy library. Fine. And
Sorry, I just missed it. Actually, what is 1D, 2D?
Say this one, for example, 10 comma 20, 30. This is what? 1D or not?
yes,
One
sir.
direct elements are not direct.
Yes.
For example, if you check this one, here, for example, one list inside another list are not.
2 into 2.
One list
Yes.
inside another list are not.
Okay, array inside array.
You know already, you people know this one or not. Then this one we can call 2D list.
2D.
Other thing. What is the 3D list? Say this one again. How many lists are there internally? 3 lists are there or not? Then that one we can call what? 3D list. One list inside another list. At that time, we need to go
Okay, sir.
ND list. Fine. And another thing. Let me go through with another thing here. After completing the NumPy team, but initial I forget it. Initial I forget it, but initial I need to go for the like loops, iterating. You know the iteration, na? Iteration team, like a for loop. Initially, well, I need to cover it here. Somewhere else I missed it here. About the after the functions we need to discuss, or above the functions we need to discuss. Fine. Loops to iterate the lists. Then we need to go for loops, like a for loop, while loop, while loop. Like this also, so many loops are there. All the loops we need to discuss here. But thing, after completing the loops at the beginning one, I need to discuss them. No need to do it. I will make it as a proper order. And another thing, ninth one is the conditions also. Fine. Which conditions? I need to discuss if conditions, and I need to discuss which condition.
If else.
condition. Next one, I need to discuss
If else.
if else, and I need to discuss match condition also. One more condition, which condition? Match conditions also. Python supports how many conditions? How many conditions? Four conditions now. Reply. Python supports how many conditions? Four conditions. What is the first condition? If condition. What is the second condition? If else condition. What is the third condition? If else. If elif else. And another thing. And one more thing is the what is the another condition? Match condition. Match condition. Like this also so many conditions are the all the conditions we need to see. Fine. Team still. If any other miscellaneous concepts are there. If any other miscellaneous concepts are there, all the miscellaneous concepts I need to discuss as part of Python. Team, this is not related to GenAI, Agentic AI, but before going to the GenAI and Agentic AI, I need to cover all the prerequisite. Fun. Team, after completing that one, immediately I need to go for one more very important topic. Then that topic we can call the fast API. One of the very important topic. What is the topic? Fast API. Fun. Very simple words I need to tell later. Very simple words. Fun. Uh, Team, my humble suggestion is the even though if you don't know, if you prepare, if we prepare 2 times or 3 times, you can get it or not. You can get it or not. But recently I'm observing from the people, like for example, if I say single word, then they're doing the like just R&D kind of thing. Don't do like that. Fun. See this one. What is front end? What is front end? User able to interact. User able to interact, we can call the front end. For example, try to say this one. Very slowly, I need to tell you, even if you don't, even the really were the non-IT professional, you can understand here. For example, let me open one website. I want to open one website. This is my website here. Let me open it. Fine. Dasrigar, are we able to click the button? Are we able to click the button? Yes or not? Am I
Yes.
right? Are we able to interact? Interacting or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Interactions.
Then that one we can call the front end. Got it or not? What is the front end? Able to interact. Able to interact, we can call the front end. Okay, not still confusion.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So, what is back end? Can you tell the opposite answer? Unable to interact. Unable to interact, called as what? Called as what? Back end. We are unable to interact. Complete business logic. Say this one. Complete business logic we will implement here. Fine. By using backend, we can provide security also. Security to business logic. Like a complete protected. Whatever the business logic is there, the business logic completely protected. Completely protected. Then that one we can call security to business logic. Fine. Next one. Try to say this one. Can you please repeat it again? Dasra what is the front end?
It's a user interface.
Able to interact or not?
Yes, sir.
Able to interact. Lakshmi Narayana. What is the backend? Unable to interact or not?
Able to interact.
Interact here. Are we able to touch it? No, we are unable to touch it. What is the speciality of it? What's the speciality of it? Business logic.
Yes, logic.
Backend used to implement the business logic. Not only that one, backend able to provide security to
Security.
business logic. Coming to the backend able to provide security to business logic. One team say this one, for example, this is the backend. This is the backend. Reading data from the backend. Technically, we can call get. Technically, what we call? Technically, we can call the get request. Sending data to the backend. Sending data to the backend. Technically, we can call post request. Post, POST, post. Updating backend data. Updating backend data. Technically, we can call put request. Technically, what we call? Put request. Deleting backend data. Deleting backend data. Technically, we can call delete request. Fine. Yeah. Hafiza, please reply here. Reading the data from the backend. Technically, what do you call? get, sending data to the backend, sending data to the backend, technically what they call post request, updating backend data, updating backend data, technically we can call put request, deleting backend data, deleting backend data, technically we can call delete request. మనం last గా reply again here. What is get request?
Getting the data
From
from the data
from backend.
in the backend. Yes.
Post request, sending
Posting,
data to the
sending the
data to the backend. Just to pronounce clearly,
back,
sending data to the backend. What do you call? Post
back
request. Why put
post.
request? Why put request? Updating
Updating the data.
backend data. Pronounce and clear గా just to pronounce clearly. Updating backend
Updating the data.
data and deleting backend data. Technically, what do you call? Delete request. One
Delete request.
developer get to post to put to delete. Then we need one library. Then that library we can call the fast API. Not the library, we can call the framework. This one what do you call? This one we can call the framework. Yes or not? What is the speciality of this framework? To develop get request, post request, put request, delete request. Like this also so many things are there. Fine. Here we will build one project also, when a heavy project. We will build one project here. And this project I need to deploy with the cloud also. What are the project we are building here? That a project I need to deploy with the cloud also. Which cloud I need to take? AWS cloud and Azure cloud. Azure cloud. Next one is the Microsoft Azure cloud or GCP. Any one of the cloud. I think not a particular cloud here. Dynamically. Maybe whatever the project we are building, like a get to, post to, put to, delete. This kind of project we need to deploy with the either AWS cloud or Azure cloud or GCP cloud. Fine. Team, this is the syllabus which is related to Python, just a pure Python. After completing the Python, then we will see the machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, agentic AI, and so many other topics also we will see. Fine. Yeah, team, this is the time. I will ask the 10 questions, team. All the people, kindly unmute all the people here. I will ask the 10 questions here. Please reply here. Later we need to go for the questions. Never drop the class, team. Some people just they're joining from the just like a demo kind of thing, something here. Just let me ask the 10 questions up to completion of the class. Be stay on the call here. Fine. Next one, Dileshwar garu, around 25 days. Around 25 days we need to cover. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
I will
from basic onwards, sir.
complete scratch, complete scratch.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Our target is not only working professional, all the people. Our target is that by the end of this course, you people are able to build your own agent. Your own agent and integrations I need to done it. Then we will take the some special care also we will take it. Not only user, everyone is important to us. Team, I will ask the 10 questions. Please answer. I'm requesting all the people, team. Please unmute and please participate here. How to store the data?
Using
True variables.
Variables, sir.
True variables.
Anyone, at least one person, team. Python supports how many data types? Python supports how many?
Nine. Nine.
Integer. Eight.
Why 9, sir?
Eight.
8 data types.
Okay.
Eight. Float is missed.
Float in the sense we can get under the integer itself. Under the number itself, integer float. Under the number itself only. No need to take separately. Fine. Next one thing. Business logic. Business logic, what do you call?
Function.
Functions.
How,
Functions, sir.
how to read data from the Excel files.
Using
Yes, sir.
points. Using
From
points.
database.
How to show the graphs.
Matplotlib.
Matplotlib. With the help of one library, then that library we can call the Matplotlib. How
Matlab.
to display the styled graphs.
Keyboard library.
Library. How to deal with the 1D list, 2D list, or 3D list, or ND list.
NumPy,
NumPy.
How to iterate the lists.
Loops.
loops,
Loops.
How to apply the conditions.
Condition.
If
If else, else,
if else condition, if EL, if else, matches, so many conditions are there. Yes or not? One. What is the speciality of a fast API? Develop, get,
develop, post,
to
put, and delete
to boot.
on the back.
So from the backend itself, then that one to the fast API. But this is the just a basic syllabus which is related to Python thing. Like this also, I will cover syllabus for the machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative agentic AI. So Fine. Team, we are starting from the scratch itself only. Don't think like we will go for the advanced level. No, very scratch level from beginner to advanced level. I can get the 100% guarantee here. Now, if you prepare along with me, you are able to build your own agents also. Fine. Now, team, never, maybe one or two members I'm able to see that function. The team are joining and leaving here. Now, if you have any questions, team, please ask it here. Last 5 minutes, I can answer your questions. Team demo sessions in a sense, but before going to our questions, the demo sessions in a sense, don't think like nothing we'll discuss. Important content only we will discuss. Important content. Fine. Anyone have the
Hello,
questions?
I have
Well,
one question.
Himanshu, please ask us.
Yeah, what will you be covering in deep learning? How in depth? I wanted to know.
I got it, sir. You were asking like, will you cover the CNN, LSTM, Luri cache? You were asking that one, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We will cover it, sir. Not only that one, sir. We will develop on a medical related project also. Already we done the project also, sir, for the previous batches. Like if I show the chest X-ray, the deep learning will tell whether the person had the pneumonia or not. Got it, na? Sir, we will cover LSTM library. We will cover CNN. And we will cover GRU library also. And we will build one project also.
So
But,
vanishing gradient, that kind of concept will you be teaching?
sir, can you ask again?
Vanishing gradient.
Vanishing. Sir, vanishing not related to deep learning. Sir, vanishing is the topic related to complete artificial intelligence. Sir. Got it, sir?
Yeah.
Artificial complete.
And
That's one of the
something called back propagation and all.
exactly, exactly. Front propagation, forward propagation, back propagation. Sir, those are the improvement techniques. Sir. Whatever I was saying, like a back propagation, forward propagation, vanishing, gradient. These are the performance improvement techniques. We will cover it, sir. For example, say this one. Himanshu, for example, you shown one X-ray image, but your deep learning saying wrong answer. Got it?
Okay.
If it's a wrong
Yeah.
answer. At that time, you need to go to backward. Like what are the calculations are there? You
The
to
error, the
yeah,
difference, the error, it will send back
exactly.
and recalculate. Weights will be adjusted, right?
That is called as the weights will be adjusted. That is called as a water
Yeah.
back
So,
propagation algorithm. Got it, Amata. Sir, too much depth, sir, because in that area we will see the too much depth.
so
But Himanshu,
because
but one pattern I need you to follow, sir. I got it. One pattern I need you to follow, sir. Initially, let me cover the Python. Later,
mm,
to go for the generative AI agentic AI, sir. The reason is I will tell the reason. The reason is now the industry looking for the agentic AI developers. So
okay.
once we complete agentic AI generative AI, then the people, I think, not for you, sir, working like whoever looking for the job. Immediately, the people can upload the resume, they can attend the interview. Then immediately we need to do the machine learning. Then we need to go for the deep learning. Then we need to go for the NLP also. Okay, na?
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Not only that one, sir. Maybe if you wait here, then I need to show it here. So many algorithms, sir. Personally, I prepared that algorithms, sir. Very challenging algorithms. I will show it here. For previous batches, I need to show it. Yeah, sir. If you check the deep learning here, if you check the deep learning, we have the LSTM. You ask like a back propagation, na?
Yes.
Back propagation, GRU, LRU, RNN, and these many number of things we need to discuss here. Number of very in depth, sir. But a right decision is the first of all the people needed to prepare what? First of all, the people needed to prepare for the GenAI Agentic AI. Then we will put the focus on that one. Not only that one, sir. For your batch, for this batch, while preparing the machine learning, then I will introduce the quantum computing also. Like there's one of the trending technology in the market now, trending technology in the market, then we need to go for the that quantum computing basics also. I can't give the guarantee for the in-depth thing. Just I will introduce the basic concepts also. Fine. And one more thing, someone asked placement assistant, Dileshwar Garu. I think may I know your experience, sir? Your experience, sir.
Sir, I am a beginner level, sir.
You are the beginning level. See this one. Wherever we have the opening. So
Yes,
today,
sir.
yeah, see this one. Today only we have the opening in the Hyderabad itself. These are the things, sir. Got it or not? The company name is InnoMax. InnoMax company, something is there. Yes or not? whenever we have the openings, definitely I will inform in the group itself. Then you can attend the interview also. Okay, na? And can I get the, I think if you're not feel good, then I can get the direct answer to you. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Once if you prepare, once if you have the sound knowledge with the subject, definitely you can place into anywhere here. And whenever we have the opportunity here, because one good thing is the GenAI Agentic AI not only for the experienced people. The companies are started for the freshers recruitment also last month onwards only, not last month, May month onwards. Sir. May month onwards, all the companies are planned to hire freshers on the GenAI and Agentic AI. Today only around 11 members got selected with the GenAI and Agentic AI. Got it or not? But whenever we have the opening site, definitely we will refer you, then you can attend the interview. Okay, na? But one thing, team, can I ask, even though if you people won't hurt care, I will ask one question here. Team, maybe can you give the right answer?